Alright, before we dive into the video, let me tell you, not all phones supports eSIM. If you are trying to install eSIM on your device, then make it sure your phone is compatible for using eSIM. You need a eSIM supported device to use eSIM. Almost every flagship phone like iPhone, Pixel, Samsung, they all supports eSIM. In this video, I will show you how to install eSIM on your iPhone, Pixel, Samsung or any phone. You can install eSIM on your any device. To make it easy, I will show you how to install eSIM in 4 steps, so you can install eSIM on your eSIM compatible device very easily. Number 1, you must have a eSIM compatible device. For me, it's Pixel. My phone supports one physical SIM and one eSIM. If you have a device, then buy a eSIM. This is my eSIM. I will install it in this video. It is already installed on my device. To show you how I installed it, I will reinstall this SIM card to my phone. Number 2, unbox your eSIM. After unboxing, probably you will find a QR code like me. In my country, only one operator gave us to use eSIM and they provide this QR code. After find a QR code on your eSIM package, then make it ready for scan. Then step number 3, if you are a Android user or iPhone user, process will be same, but I will show you both of them. If you have a Pixel device, then go to your settings, then network and internet, click on the plus button, then scan the QR code and follow the instruction and done. Your eSIM will be ready to use. If you are an iPhone user, then go to settings, then follow the instruction and your eSIM will active instantly. Same process will go for Samsung, Sony or any other eSIM compatible device. Just go to your network settings, and if your device supports eSIM, then you will get a plus icon or add any plan like this. Click on that, then your phone will ask for a QR code. Scan it and follow the instruction. Number 4, subscribe to this channel, and yeah, you already installed your eSIM. That's for it. Thanks for watching.